Yeah, Whisper, oh, are you showing, like, Misha's chat or something? Oh, wait, you're not gonna be able to find me. I have a really common Steam name. How am I gonna find you?
You want me to put my link in the chat?
Yeah, just, like, whisper it to me. DeluxeCamera63 is my, Twitch.
Alright. You streaming?
Yeah, and...
Nope, his toaster can't handle it.
I don't want to alarm anyone, but I just saw a grenade or a landmine go off at Vybor military base. I saw the smoke in the air.
Oh shoot, I got a
Just-
whisper to
yeah,
you.
someone
Oh, shoot,
just
I did it
died.
on my computer. Here, I'll just poke you. I'll just put it in the chat.
Yeah, you can put it on a TeamSpeak or anything, like, anything works.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright, I don't know where I'm gonna hide right up here. Oh my god, hacker, 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 hacker.
Hacker, word hacker.
That's what I saw. I think Mish might be dead.
I'm gonna log out.
I can't. My game froze due to grenades circling me.
Up. Grenade about to get me.
Wait, how do you know there's a hacker?
He's, oh, he's grenade,
I'm dead.
tornadoing us.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Fucking faggot.
That's
I'm
kinda
not
stupid.
dead.
I'm dead. It says you are dead. Oh my god. I
Like,
hate
I'm
hackers.
upstairs in a building. He's heading,
I see.
the grenades are heading toward northwest.
I'm dead.
Yeah, hacker dude, grenade
Yeah.
tornado.
Yup. Hit me.
Wait, what happened?
Grenade tornado.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah, I'm scared. He hasn't gotten me yet.
You hear the explosions?
There's one literally in front of me. One of them hit me, broke my arms. Then the other one just like hit me in my face and I died.
Should I do a little something called log off or suicide?
up to you, man.
Cause I doubt it. None of us are gonna get a Bible spawn.
Dang.
Okay, I just want to go outside and see this. Dude, oh my god. This is insane.
Are all the signs and trees knocked over?
Dude, he's just exploding Vybor.
I've never seen that happen before.
That's crazy.
Never. I seen my first one like 2 days ago.
It's been happening a lot recently, I feel like.
Now he's exploding Cabanino. Is that it? Oh, back to Vybor.
How many people are on your guys' server?
It's pretty full.
50.
It's probably not full anymore due to
Full
hacker.
call.
Oh my god, I'm being
Dead?
No fucking chat.
What happened?
The Mosin shot sound. Grenade's right next to me. Oh my god, he knocked over a tree. Jesus. Oh my
Oh,
god.
you have sound effects for Mosin shot?
Yeah. Okay. I'm dead. There was the hacker. He's just teleporting around.
I thought that was you in the road that I seen with the Gorka helmet. But I guess
I did have a Gorga helmet.
Green.
Yeah, but that's the color of a lot of them. Random, I'm guessing that was not a hacker, because every hacker
That's
we
why I try to
mostly see, you
stay
say
away
they're
from
not. But hi!
Hype up, because I'll usually go to like 30-person servers so I don't meet hackers.